Alright, the Ninja just hit 600 miles, so it's time for its first oil change. Alright, and there is the oil filter right there. Very easy to get at on this bike. And there's the drain plug. Way too easy. No need to remove any fairings or nothing. It's very simple. No need to be paying anyone to do that. Alright, so the oil I got was just the Mobil 1 10W40, which is what the manual asks for, is 10W40. Kawasaki brand, but whatever. And then the oil filter you can use is the K&N 303. Just a universal. Still nice and warm. Nice clean oil. Definitely rode this thing pretty hard too. Alright, so 17 mil. Hopefully this doesn't go crazy. Well, that's good and warm. Alright, so here's the owner's manual, which can be downloaded from Kawasaki.com. And we'll go into the engine oil portion, which is going to tell you where to fill and what fill level you need to be at, and what to do and what kind of level the bike should be at before you check the oil. And it's just ensuring that you make sure we already took the bolt off of there, as well as the gasket. Alright, here we go. And so for some torque specs, directly out of the manual. It says the engine oil capacity, if we don't replace the oil filter, is only 1.7 US quarts or 2.1 quarts if we do remove. So I bought 2 quarts, so hopefully it'll be close enough to gauge. Alright, just because I am the weirdo that likes to torque things, I will go ahead and torque it. Torquing. Put a little bit in here. It's too much at an angle to at least get some threads going in that seal. We're already starting off missing 0.1, so we can't lose it. Can't lose what we got. As if that's much. foot-pounds. As long as we don't leak anywhere, we're good. Alright, so knowing that it takes more than what I've actually got, only by a very small amount, I'm just going to dump both in. Check later.
Alright, so the bike has been taken off the lift and I ran it for a few seconds just to cycle the oil through, and now it has been also waiting for a couple minutes for all the oil to go back down to the bottom. So now that we've done all that, we can go ahead and hold it at a level position, and you'll see that the oil sits right in between the two lines there. So the 2 quarts was definitely just enough, so it's good to go. Job's done.